Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the case report form, that is CRF design, and their basic information. First we are seeing what is the CRF. The CRF means the case report form is a specialized document in a clinical research. It should be study protocol driven and robust in content and have the material to collect the study specific data. Through the paper CRF are still used largely, and use of the electronic CRF are gaining popularity due to the advantages they offer, such as improved data quality, online discrepancy management, and the fast database lock, etc. The main objective behind the CRF development are preserving and maintaining the quality and the integrity of the data. CRF design should be standardized to address the need of all users, such as investigator, site coordinator, then study monitor, data entry personnel, medical coder, and the statistician. The data should be organized in a format that facilitates and simplifies the data analysis. The collection of the large amount of the data will result in waste resources in collecting and processing it, and in many circumstances will not be utilized for analysis. The International Conference on Harmonization Guidelines for a good clinical practices define the CRF as a printed, optical, or electronic document designed to record all of the protocol required information to be reported to the sponsor on each trial subject. The case report form designing requires the enormous planning and attention to minute the details. Designing a CRF is a crucial in a clinical trial, as it will be aid in assessing the safety and the efficacy of the medicinal product accurately. The CRF should be designed for the optimal collection of the data in accordance with the study protocol compliances, regulatory requirement, and shall enable the researcher test hypothesis or answer the trial related question. Now we are seeing the paper case report form versus the electronic case report form. In that there are two types of the CRF used in a clinical research, that is the traditional paper CRF and the improvised electronic CRF. The paper CRF is a traditional way of the data capture and a better option if the study are small or vary in design, whereas the electronic are the considered if the study is large with the similar designs. In a current global scenario, electronic CRF are the prefer over the paper CRF, as they are less time consuming and also encourage the sponsor or the pharmaceutical company to carry out the large multi-centric studies at the same time. Now we are seeing the standard case report form design. The designing a CRF is an art that should be based on a scientific practice, and the design should be implemented keeping the end user in mind. While designing, all the important sections of the CRF should be included with the care. Always it is worth to remember that the insufficient or inaccurate data collection would prove the expensive during analysis. Hence, it is advisable to have a standard operating procedure for the CRF preparation and to follow best practice of the CRF design. Primary object of the CRF designing is to gather the complete and the accurate data by avoiding the duplication and the facilitating the transcription of the data from the source documents onto the CRF. And CRF should be designed with the primary safety and the efficacy endpoint as the main goal of the data collection. Here it is all this information is regarding the regarding the case report form design. Thank you.